Okay, so the next one is the cable kickback. What you can do, ideally you would use the actual like foot attachment where it's almost like, it looks like a sock kind of thing, like it straps around one here and straps underneath. But if you can't, then you will have to just use a D handle. So what you can do is, to start with, you want to pull the matrix up to just below shin height. So like you have this segment here to work with. So for the sake of ease, I'll bring it up to this one. Okay, perfect. Then the one you're going to work on, you're going to stick your foot through front ways. What you're trying to do is get it so when it lines up, you have the handle in line with the sole of your shoe. Set yourself forward. Essentially, I'm going to kick back from here, pull. Just squeeze. What you're trying not to do is we want to avoid this. We want to avoid the hyperextension in your lower back. We want to avoid this. We don't want any of that. We just want it nice and strict. And squeeze. All this is glute extension. Have a go.